Today we're going to talk about the Chapin Wet or Dry Hose End Sprayer. On the front of your wet and dry hose end sprayer, you'll notice there's calibrations on the front of the label. On the right side of the label, you'll have your calibrations for liquids. On the left side of your label, you'll have your calibrations for your wettable powders or wettable granules. You'll notice that the legend has three different colors. Blue represents liters or milliliters, red is gallons, and black is ounces. An example, the black number represents all ounces, 8, 12, 16, 20, and red represents gallons, 3, 6, 15, and 21, and so on. On the granule side, you'll have your teaspoons and milliliters. Teaspoons will be in black, and milliliters will be in blue. The first thing you need to do when you use your wet and dry hose end sprayer is to take the product label from the product you're about to spray, either a liquid or a granule, and read the instructions to see how many tablespoons or gallons you need to use for the set number of square feet you're getting ready to treat. For example, if you were going to treat 300 square feet and you needed 3 gallons to do it, you would take the liquid product and fill it with the product only up to the 3-gallon mark. Then you would take the top and match the 3-gallon mark with the top dial, and then you would connect the hose, and now you're ready to spray that 300 square feet if that's what the label said. When spraying wettable powders or water-soluble granulars in your wet and dry hose end sprayer, the first thing you're going to want to do is, again, look at the product label, find out how many teaspoons, tablespoons, or milliliters you need to cover a set number of square feet. You're going to want to fill this container up to that mark. So if it's 30 tablespoons, you fill it up to the 30 tablespoon mark. Then on the top of your sprayer, you're going to want to turn it to the granule setting. There is only one setting for the granules or the wettable powders, and you turn it to that setting. Now you'll connect your hose and spray. Remember to always make sure that the siphon tube has been removed from the sprayer. Here's a pro tip. When spraying thicker liquids, it's almost virtually impossible for the siphon tube to work correctly. So what you're going to want to do is, still using the liquid calibrated side, fill it up to the calibrated level, remove the siphon tube from inside, turn the setting to granular. This will allow water from the hose to mix with the thicker liquid, thinning it, and allow you to spray it more easily over the desired area. The Chapin hose end sprayer has an adjustable tip. It's a 3-way adjustable tip that gives you 3 different settings for either a stream, a pin stream, or a rainfall. Also, there's an on-off switch, so once you have your hose connected, you simply just pull it back and then you get free flow from the water. You want to stop it, you push it forward, and the hose shuts off. The hose end sprayer has a gasket in where the hose connects. Please make sure your gasket is seated firmly and your hose is tightened completely. Otherwise, you'll get some leakage around this area. And it's that easy with the professional help from DoMyOwnPestControl.com.